As long as products are being sold, there will always be some returns. Returns can be a burden, but are an opportunity if managed well. An effective return strategy means greater customer satisfaction, which ultimately means better business. Orderhive's order management tool very well streamlines the inflow of product returns as well as recovery of product in the new value chain. In this video, let us understand return settings in Orderhive and also the process to add a new return. For return settings, go to Settings and click on Returns. You can see here that Orderhive provides standard return reasons by default. If you want to add any other reason, click on plus. And in the pop-up, type in the reason and click on Add. The reason will be saved and you can see it under Custom Return Reasons list. You can also edit or delete custom reasons as per your requirement. Click on Edit button at the right side of that reason. Edit the reason and save it. To delete, click on Delete and follow the prompt for confirmation. So now that you're sorted with return settings, let's see how to add or process a new return. In Orderhive, you can easily create and manage order returns. You can also generate return shipping labels to be sent out to customers from Orderhive itself. To create returns, click on Returns tab from the main menu and then click on New Return. Search the order for which you want to create a return. As obvious as it is, returns can be created only for shipped or completed orders. You can either use the order ID or the customer name to search for the order. Select the order to proceed further. As you select the order detail page will open. Here you would be able to select warehouse where return is to be shipped, mention quantity to be returned along with reason, and select for refund or replacement option. From the Ship to drop-down list, select the warehouse where you wish to restock the returned products. Then enter the return quantity by using plus or minus sign, which is to increase or decrease the default value. Maximum quantity you can enter here is the actual order quantity. Then you need to select the relevant return reason from the reason drop-down list. This list will display Orderhive predefined reasons as well as custom reasons that you might have added with the return settings page. Next you see is the Refund Options tab. Here you need to select when do you wish to process the refund. Select the relevant action as per your requirement from the drop-down list. Please do note that currently the automatically refund function is not integrated with the channels, hence refund needs to be managed on channels only. Next tab is for replacement option. If there are any replacements that need to be processed for that return, you can choose when to send the replacement from the appropriate reasons from the drop-down list. So once you have made the necessary selections, click on Next. In the next and final page, you will get 3 options to process the return. First is to generate a new return label. Orderhive allows you to generate a new return label for processing returns and send it to your customers. Here you need to select or enter the carrier name, package type, weight, date, and other information to generate a label. Mention your customer's email address in the email label to customer field. Second option is to add the tracking number from existing returns shipment. If you have generated a return label outside Orderhive, you simply need to add tracking details here. Simply select or enter the carrier, the shipping cost, and the tracking number. Third and last is to directly deliver returns. Deliver returns will immediately mark the return for that order as complete. This will help in recording offline returns or the returns which are already processed. It is also possible to add a due date to the return. You can also add tags to the return for any added or important information. Upon selecting the suitable option and entering all details, click on Done. Return entry will then be created under To Confirm Status in Returns page. So that's how you manage returns with Orderhive. Hope this was a useful video. For any more queries, click on chat icon at bottom right corner to chat with our product expert. Thanks for watching and happy selling.